Hi everyone, my name is Stepan Suvorov, and today I'll guide you through the amazing world of ChatGPT custom instructions. First of all, to set up custom instruction, you need to go to your profile, customize ChatGPT, and here you see two blocks. Block about yourself and block how ChatGPT should respond. Let's start with first one. What I suggest to put here. First is very personal information like your name. In my case, it's Stepan Suvorov, and it helps ChatGPT to recognize and address you correctly in both Latin, and if your origin is not Latin written, also in my case it's Cyrillic. It's convenient when ChatGPT does some writing for you, for example, and in email it can also write the who's addresser. Next one is about your physical description. So I'm writing down here that I'm a white male with a beard, with long dark hair, and so on and so on. Why it's convenient? It's useful for generation personalized avatar, description, or any sort of illustration. Because ChatGPT already knows how to present you. Don't expect to have super photorealistic copy of yourself. It will be somewhere close, but not very similar. We will have separate video about how to make image or avatar of yourself as close as possible, the illustration. Going next, about language proficiency. That's also quite convenient if ChatGPT knows how good are you at some languages to give proper response. For example, my native languages are Ukrainian and Russian. I'm quite fluent in English, and also I'm learning Dutch, so I expect from ChatGPT not super advanced responses, more basic level. Going next block, in my cases it's your online presence. All the information, how to connect with you, allows ChatGPT to help to manage your online profiles or provide information in professional context. If again it generates some output for you to refer to specific links or so. Next I put personal background. So in my case is that I'm from Kharkiv, Ukraine, that I born and then I moved to Netherlands and so on. That's quite convenient also for ChatGPT to know background and provide specifics for specific context for cultural and regional prompts. Going next, it's also convenient to put information about your professional background. So, and here I write that I'm CTO at StudyTube Amsterdam, my backgrounds, my master degree, I also entitled to be a Google developer expert in Angular. All this information is super convenient. It helps ChatGPT to give relevant advice, support, or generate some sort of bio or resume for you. Going next section, that's information about what devices do you use. In my case, I use Mac laptop and I use Android phone with Samsung operational system in it. Why it's convenient? Because you can, because it enables ChatGPT to provide specific tips, tricks, and software recommendation based on your operation system. If you have some issues with the operational system, you don't need to specify that it is Mac, and ChatGPT will not output you advice for 3 different systems. It will output you advice exactly for your use case. And also for Android, if you're looking for specific application, it will be exactly advice for application for Android. If you ask about something about compatibility, it will know that you use Samsung phone. And additional information for ChatGPT that's about hobbies. So here I'm writing that I'm liking chess, ping pong, tennis, and so on. to give us also ChatGPT possibilities to make more advanced, personalized suggestion about activities, travel plans, or some hobby-related content. Now we are moving to the next block. It's about respond. And first thing that I put here, that's it's never, even with capitals, tell that you are AI. That's important because it doesn't provide any extra information for us, and ChatGPT uses quite often. So we just want to be more concise by focusing on relevant information. Also important one about clarifying questions. If ChatGPT doesn't understand the question, it's important that we ask it to try to ask questions to make it more clear, the question, not to give an irrelevant answer just. What I write also here, it's about writing styles. I like very short and exact answers. It depends on your profession, and all the custom instructions are very personalized, and you are able to choose what's one. But for me, I'm exactly looking for short and exact answers. And I also add that you're gonna use emoji. Sometimes it's quite helpful to see some emojis when it's a big block of text and it's separated by different emojis in the topic of the content. One more interesting instruction, it's avoiding apologies. So quite a big block to say that you shouldn't say sorry or regret or something, because we want to focus on information, avoiding any expression of remorse or regret. Next, as I put, I already touched this topic in information about myself, but I want to highlight for ChatGPT also for output section that I expect the level of output for English is C1, for Dutch is B1. So for English, I don't want to be super sophisticated, only if I ask it to do so. And for Dutch, also a bit more simple language, because I'm still learning. One more instruction is to try to get all the information and never suggest seeking information somewhere else. It's quite annoying that instead of answer, it tries to forward you somewhere. That's I ask not to do. So we are ready with our base set of custom instructions. We have here our toggler to enable it for all new chats, but please take into account that it will be only for base ChatGPT. So for now, it doesn't work with custom GPTs. Custom GPTs are not able to access your custom instructions. And I hope it will be resolved in nearest future, because it's super convenient when custom GPT also knows all your instructions. Thank you for watching.